Yeah, it started early for Suriname. Cecilson with the early strike and then a giveaway from David. No mistake from Omel with the finish. And then their captain, Medea from distance, made it 3 with 25 minutes gone. And it was always an uphill battle from there for Barbados. Cecilson pushed to get her double. But time and time again, Barbados struggled to build their way out to the back. And it was incidences like these that kept reoccurring for them over and over throughout this afternoon. Cecilson was a threat all day long and was thwarted there by a fine save from the keeper. She was at it again before her team effort gratefully went into the hands of the keeper. And there was this cause for a penalty there, waved away by the referee. Could have gone another way on another day. Barbados did have their chances to get back in it and reduce the deficit. But the Suriname keeper stood firm. And eventually, Samse cut away through that fatigued Bajan defense to cap off the score in 4